Good morning students, welcome to Path Online Tutorials. We have completed chapter number 8 trigonometry. In trigonometry we have learned trigonometric ratios, how trigonometric ratios are related to sides of a right triangle. Now we will do chapter number 9, that is application of trigonometry. In this chapter we will solve the real life problems with the help of trigonometric ratios. How? Let us start it with exercise 9.1 question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends such that the top of the tree touches the ground. एक ट्री स्टॉर्म के कारण टूट गया है. सपोज ये ग्राउंड है, ग्राउंड पे एक ट्री ऐसे खड़ा है और ये ट्री स्टॉर्म के कारण सपोज पॉइंट ए से टूट गया है. द टॉप ऑफ द ट्री टचेस द ग्राउंड मेकिंग एन एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री. अब ए से टूटने के बाद ये ट्री बेंड हो गया है और नीचे गिर गया है और इसका जो टॉप है ये ग्राउंड को टच कर रहा है, मेकिंग एन एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री. सपोज ये ग्राउंड को सी पे टच कर रहा है and B is the foot of the perpendicular. Now the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. जहां पे टॉप ग्राउंड को टच कर रहा है और फुट ऑफ ट्री है, इन दोनों के बीच जो डिस्टेंस है 8 मीटर है. And we have to find the height of the tree. With the help of this data we have to find the height of the tree. Now how we can use trigonometric ratios here? See, with the help of given data, I have constructed a right triangle. In this right triangle, one angle has been given and one side has been given. And if one angle and one side of a triangle has been given, then we can find everything in that triangle. How? As we have to find the height of the tree, and the height of the tree is AB plus AC. Height of the tree is now how to use trigonometric ratio here? See, first of all let us find AB. If I am using angle of 30 degree, then the opposite side is perpendicular and BC is the base. And what is the trigonometric ratio involving perpendicular and base? That ratio is tan theta. So if I say tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular AB upon base BC. So I can use the value of tan 30 degree. Value of tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. AB I have to find and BC has been given 8 meter. So from here AB is equal to 8 upon root 3 meter. Now let us find AC. AC is the hypotenuse, base is given, and trigonometric ratio involving base and hypotenuse is cos. Cos 30 degree is equal to base BC upon hypotenuse AC, and the value of cos 30 degree is root 3 upon 2. BC has been given 8 and AC we have to find. So AC is equal to 16 upon root 3 meter. Now let us find the height of the tree. Height of the tree is AB plus AC. AB is 8 upon root 3 and AC is 16 upon root 3 is equal to 24 upon root 3 meter. So the height of the tree is 24 upon root 3 meter, and if I want to express this answer in more attractive way, then I can rationalize the denominator and I can write 24 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3 is equal to 24 root 3 upon root 3 square is 3, 3 8 is 24, 8 root 3 meter. So in this way, we have found that the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. So in this way, with the help of simple application of trigonometric ratio, we have found the height of the tree. Now let us do question number 3. In question number 3, there is a contractor who plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in the park. स्लाइड्स आपने पार्क में देखी होगी, जिस ऐसी होती है जिसमें बच्चे जो है ऊपर से नीचे स्लाइड करते हैं. द कंस्ट्रक्टर wants to install 2 slides for the children to play in the park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. ऐसे बच्चे जिनकी एज 5 साल से कम की है, उनके लिए वो प्रेफर करती है ऐसी स्लाइड जिसका टॉप ग्राउंड से 1.5 मीटर हो. सपोज ये ग्राउंड है, ग्राउंड से 1.5 मीटर ऊपर हो. एंड इज इंक्लाइंड एट एन एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री. और ये जो स्लाइड है ये ग्राउंड के साथ 30 डिग्री के एंगल पे ही इंक्लाइंड हो. फॉर एल्डर चिल्ड्रन शी वॉन्ट्स टू हैव ए स्टीप स्लाइड. स्टीप मतलब जिसकी ढलान बहुत तेज हो. एट ए हाइट ऑफ 3 मीटर. जो बड़े बच्चे हैं उनके लिए वो ऐसी स्लाइड लगाना चाहती है जो 3 मीटर की हाइट पे हो. एंड इंक्लाइंड एट एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. और 60 डिग्री के एंगल पे इंक्लाइंड हो. व्हाट शुड बी द लेंथ ऑफ स्लाइड्स इन ईच केस. दोनों केसेस में वी हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट शुड बी द लेंथ ऑफ स्लाइड्स. सो अगेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ गिवन डेटा I have constructed 2 right triangles ABC and PQR. In triangle ABC, we have to find what is AC, and in triangle PQR, we have to find what is PR. Again, we have right triangles in which one angle and one side has been given, and with the help of these 2 things we can find everything related to this triangle. So as angle of 30 degree has been given, if I use angle 30 degree, then the opposite side is perpendicular, and I have to find hypotenuse. What is the trigonometric ratio involving perpendicular and hypotenuse? Definitely it is sin 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. And the value of sin 30 degree is 1/2. AB is 1.5 meter, and AC we have to find. So AC is equal to 3 meter. So in first case, the length of the slide is 3 meter. Now the second case is the same. If I use angle of 60 degree, then PQ is the perpendicular, and we have to find PR. PR is the hypotenuse. Again perpendicular और hypotenuse को involve करते हुए जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो होता है वो होता है साइन. सो साइन 60 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 60 डिग्री इज √3 अपॉन 2 PQ is 3 meter and PR we have to find. So PR is equal to 3 into 2 6 upon √3. और थोड़ा अट्रैक्टिव फॉर्म में अगर आपको आंसर लिखना है तो रैशनलाइज कर सकते हैं हम इसको. √3 upon √3 is equal to 6 √3 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6 is equal to 2 √3 meter. So the length of second slide is 2 √3 meter. So in this way we have seen that both questions are related to our practical life, and with the help of these questions we have learned that trigonometry is too much useful in practical life.